Today we're diving straight into something that makes Python super cool: magic methods. These little rules like this can make your custom classes smarter and more intuitive. Let's get our hands dirty and see how they work. In this tutorial, we'll cover what magic methods are, how to use the double underscore str double underscore for readable outputs, the difference between the str method and the arrow pro methods, using the double underscore add method for operator overloading, customizing comparisons with the EQ method. We're using Jupyter Notebook, but feel free to follow along in VS Code or any ID you like. Let's get started. Magic methods are special methods in Python that lets you define behaviors for built-in operations in your custom classes. Think of them as secret weapons for making your objects behave more like built-in types. The init method initializes a new object when the class is instantiated. This is a property to hold the name passed in when we created our objects. Next, let's make our objects more human-friendly by customizing their string representation. Ever printed an object and get something like this? Let's fix that. This defines the string representation of the object when print is called. The double underscore str is for users, but the double underscore arrow is for developers. Let's see both in action. This aimed at giving a detailed, unambiguous representation of the object. Use str for end users and arrow pro for debugging. How cool would it be if you could use the plus sign to combine two custom objects? Let's make it happen. This lets us define how the plus operator works for our objects. Want to compare two objects? Let's use the double underscore EQ to define equality. This defines how the double equal to operator works. This outputs true if the value properties are equal. With magic methods, you can completely control how your objects behave in Python. In this tutorial, we saw how to define readable string outputs with the double underscore str, debug effectively with the double underscore arrow pro, overload operators with the double underscore add, and customize comparison with the double underscore EQ. If you found this useful, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video, where we'll explore more magic methods like the double underscore len and the double underscore get item. Keep coding, and I will see you in the next tutorial.